Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer USDT from Binance to 1xBet in 2025. Whether you're into crypto betting or just managing your assets, this step-by-step process will get you set up quickly and safely. First off, remember that crypto transfers can involve fees and risks, so always double-check details to avoid any mishaps. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Log into your Binance account. Make sure you have two-factor authentication enabled for extra security. Once you're in, head over to the Wallet section and select Spot Wallet or Funding Wallet, where your USDT is stored. Next, find USDT in your wallet and click on it. Look for the Withdraw button. It's usually right there on the main page. Now, you'll need the 1xBet wallet address. Open your 1xBet account, go to the Deposit section, and select USDT. Copy the wallet address provided, and don't forget to note the network type, like Tron, TRC20, or Ethereum, ERC20, as using the wrong one could lose your funds. Back in Binance, paste the 1xBet wallet address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer, but be mindful of the minimum withdrawal limits and any network fees. Review everything carefully, address, amount, and network, then hit Confirm. You'll get a verification code via email or app. Enter it to finalize the transaction. Once submitted, the transfer might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network congestion. Keep an eye on your 1xBet account to confirm the deposit. And there you have it. That's how you transfer USDT from Binance to 1xBet in 2025. If you run into any issues, check Binance or 1xBet support. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you next time.